Treats corrects excessively damaged hair. Improves strength, prevents breakage. Detangles and improves manageability. Country of origin is United States. High Pro Pac extremely damaged hair repair intense protein hair treatment. In just 2 to 5 minutes, this protein hair mask will treat and correct even the most damaged hair and give your hair the help it needs to grow healthy and strong. Our hair salon formula is crafted from concentrated proteins and active moisturizers to protect, nourish, strengthen, and restore damaged hair. Collagen builds moisture and improves manageability, while wheat amino acids' water-binding properties improve sheen for silky soft hair. Top reviews from the United States. It works. I think everyone that colors their hair should use this regularly as like a conditioner. It's thick and coats the hair. If you're doing natural colors close to your actual hair color, this will do the trick. I would use it bi-weekly. If you bleach your hair, then you need something stronger. I would combine this product with something with a lot of moisture.